Hey, do you struggle staying on task? Do you have challenges staying focused on things? Do you find yourself in meetings getting distracted easily? If you do, you might be like me, where I've got ADD. Now, I've got a little quiz that you can take to find out if maybe you have ADD. Before I give you the quiz, I want you to know I'm not a trained physician. The only way to really find out if you have ADD is to go to a trained physician and get an evaluation. This is just a quiz for you to figure out if you can focus. Now, I want you to pay attention to the green circle, okay? Now, if you glanced over at the red one, you might have ADD. Not a guarantee, but I do know that you struggle staying focused and staying on task. If that's the case, then get tested by a trained physician to find out if you actually do. Or you can click the link in the comment below that teaches you how to meditate. I've been using meditation for years in order to improve my focus and stay on task. My name is Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership. Check the link below and give meditation a try.